I'm actually very interested in what's going to happen right here, right now. So, for context, pretty bullish day. Okay, we pretty bullish day, and as you see, like on the 15-minute right now, it is August 5th, 2024. If you know, you know, we're fucking bearish as shit. Like overall bearish as shit, but intraday, it's been a pretty bullish day, right? So this is like the lunch session right here, 12 o'clock. Let's see, 12:01 start right here. So this is the start of the lunch session. We're gonna mark this out right there. I'll make this a lighter color for you all to see that easier. And we're gonna come over here. We're gonna mark out the end of the lunch session, which would be 13:01. So as you see, we have this lunch high up here. Now, I don't know if I'm anticipating us to get back up to this high because we are so bearish. However, if we look at this, what I wanted to see right here, I wanted to see us take this low. Maybe we took it on ES. Yeah, we took it on ES, but NQ did not take that. So let's pull out the fib from this lunch session high to this lunch session low. Now, why the fuck am I doing the lunch session low? Because this is the overall leg. Like this, I look at this as one leg, right? So as you can see, we're in a premium market right now. Let's make this brighter. So we're in a premium market right now. We'd be looking to target a discount market if we were to enter the, if we were looking to enter this short. So off of that, we're already anticipating a run higher back to a discount market. Now, you could take longs just based off the SMT that we just had, but I wouldn't do that. I'd wait for a fair value gap to form. Here on ES, we have the fair value gap form, and we took the lunch session low, and I'm anticipating a run higher. So if we were to dip back into this fair value gap, I'd take this long back into this premium. There's also a fair value gap here. We also inverse the fair value gap as well. Let's get this inverse drawn out here. As you can see, this candle here inverse the fair value gap. We're just going to make our ES chart match our NQ chart real quick. 13:01. Motherfucker. 12:01. So, lunch session high. Let's go ahead and bring this. And I'm using the candle body closes for the high and the low. So that's about right there. It doesn't have to be exact, but it's like right there. Make that brighter. And as you can see, we took this low, we've rallied higher. We have this little fair value gap here, and this inverse fair value gap here. We've peaked above it already. Now we could just be taking like buy side here for more of a move down. And we could see NQ drop lower. It depends. It depends what we see. We gotta wait to we gotta wait to see what the market gives us. Neither one of these has dipped back into the fair value gap that they just created here. But overall, I'd be expecting more of a move higher to take out, lunch session buy side, at least back to a discount market. We'll see. What is this low? 23 or 35.50, 35.50. Yeah, so those are equal lows there. These are equal lows as well. 69.75 and 69.75. we do this on this chart. So this is already a change in the state of delivery after we took sell side here. All right, so we'd be looking to enter in this fair value gap with a stop either right here below this low or below here. But we're looking for this to enter into this fair value gap, which we have the entry there. So now we'd be in this and enter there. We're just targeting back into a discount market, and as you see, that's 18 points on ES, which is a considerable amount of points. It's about an 8-point stop, but it's pretty volatile. Like, all right, so I'm really using about consequent encroachment of this wick here. If we just left the stop like this, and that would be, you know, about 8 points to capture about 19 points, close to 19 points there. So let's see how this would play out. Let's look at NQ. NQ also into this fair value gap right here. Now this could be, you know, just too obvious of a trade, and it could stop us out. But you know, it's a risk. You gotta put risk on the table at some point, you know. So let's see. It's about 88 points on NQ. Stop. I would like my stop like below this low, but that's a lot of risk. So we do this low right here. It'd be better. My mouse is doing the dumb shit. Okay, my mouse isn't doing the dumb shit now. So stop below this low right here. So this is about a 30-point stop. Close to a 30-point stop there. Well, let's see how this would play out. You'd be risking about 60 bucks. And you gotta understand, it's like the market's pretty volatile right now. So if you were to take this trade, just understand it's volatile, you know. Let's see how these play out. Should we hit them with a grid? And then what's down in Q? Bro. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see how we cooking. Now, where would TP1 be? Just above these highs on both of them. This is the full trade we're looking at, but TP1 is right here above these highs. So, boom, TP1's there. Oh, what the fuck? Why does this fucking chart look like this, bro? What the fuck is this? Get these fucking MAs off my chart, my nigga. Alright, right here above these equal highs, TP1 on NQ. These are relative equal highs, but you know, we're just going for that high. So both of these hit TP1 already. So it's about 5 points, maybe about 6 points on ES right there already. And damn, there's about 40 points already on NQ. So that's about $80 trade already on NQ. Now, the overall daily bias has been bullish, but on a much bigger time frame, we are bearish. Like, the market has just been fucking dropping, but it's volatile right now, so we don't know. Ideally, all right. Look, we could take out these lows here, and we could take out these lows here, but I wouldn't want to see us come all the way back to here. So our runner, we would be above break even on our runner because I bring my stop up to right here. I just don't want to do it because it's gonna make my drawings ugly as fuck. And then same thing for right here. So we entered down here, our runner we'd have right here already. So we'd already be cashing out on what? Just like 2 points on ES. What is that? Like 10 bucks. And then over here it'd be what? Entry here. Stop here. It's about 15 to 20 bucks on our runner here for MQ. Let's I'm gonna put a drawing where I'd have them just for the sake of the video, just for video's sake. So that's where that would be, and over here, this is where that would be. All right.
My nigga, I'd have been falling asleep on this shit. We still haven't hit the stop. I still my idea still like I still believe we're gonna rebalance this. I mean, it's possible we don't because like look where our lunch session started, right? We ran up, moved down. What could this be looked at right here? A breaker. This could be a big ass order block. So I don't know, but I still believe we're gonna hit like this is equal. This will be equilibrium, right? So I still believe we're gonna hit equilibrium on both of these. It's still the same on both of these, right? Setup is still the same. So let's go ahead and get above these equal highs here. Like these are about relative equal highs. So let's go ahead and get above those. And here we just have a high. And boom, NQ gets us out of it right there. Go ahead and just pull this over. Out of it there on NQ. Yes, it's lagging behind. We're going to pull this over as well now. And then let me adjust this because our entry was just under these lows right in here. And same thing over here, just under these equal lows. So NQ, boom, that would have been the trade. I'd have been out of that shit. We'd be good. Now we're just watching NQ. We want ES to catch up. We have an SMT right now, but it looks like we're going to catch up. Mind you, today's been very bullish. So, like, yes, today's been bullish. Overall, we've been bearish. A lot of people think we're going to keep going down, especially after they see this. So, like, it would only make sense we rebalance this. So let's go back a little bit. Right in here. This is 130. What are we doing at 130? Searching out sell stops. Right? But then, oh, well, 131. Like, alright, so, alright. 130, what are we doing? Right, down here? Search and sell stops. 131, flip, going for buy stops. Where buy stops at? Above this high. What do we do? Got the buy stops. A macro time is about to start here soon. What have we done? Seeking sell stops. But overall, we still believe this is going to rebalance. I'm just giving reason as to, what is likely to happen. We could see a structure shift here. NQ has already, rebalanced. So if ES doesn't, we're not surprised. I'd still be holding this trade though. And I'd still have my stop where it is. I don't give a fuck. We're very likely to get stopped out of it now at this point though. Like we could market sell maybe, but let's say hypothetically we don't. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'd market sell by now. I'm not big balls enough to be holding this. Now, and I'd be hating myself. I'm not gonna lie, I'd be hating myself right now. I'd be like, damn, I shouldn't have sold that shit. I'd have sold right then, and I would have been like, damn. I'd be like, they get my ass every time. Fuck, I'm pushing my shift key, this shit not working. Okay, my shift key is tweaking out. It's weird as fuck. Nigga, I'm trying to make this shit straight. Make my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. What the fuck? Has it hit it? I can't tell if it's hit it. Should we say it hit it? Should we say that hit it? Nah, it didn't hit it. Alright, boom, there it hit it. It would have got us up there. See? Like I said, out of market sold right here, we would have stopped for a little bit more profit. Regardless, we still stop in profit on that one. But NQ did deliver to where we were expecting it to deliver to. We're gonna let it cook for a moment to see if it does end up, shifting and coming back to these lows. And I'm willing to watch this probably for like the next 10 minutes. Bro, y'all see this shit? I know y'all see this shit. If it just collapses, then fuck it. This is the most boring shit. At this point, if it's not going to go up, then I expect it to come take out the lunch low. So we'll see. And then NQ's lunch low is down here. So it's not showing much willingness right now to continue or to want to continue to go up. Either one of them, we just keep getting these pops and they're just sold off real quick. And as you can see, ES is kind of breaking this. Yep, there we go. So let's see. Let's see if we can get down to the lunch low now. If we get a candle, what I'm saying is if we can get a candle close below these lows right here, I'm gonna see if we can get to the lunch low. But we just keep wicking at it right now, and then same thing. Like if we can get a candle close below this low right here, then I want to see if we can get to these lows now because this is rebalanced. This is balanced now. ES didn't really balance the range. As you can see, ES came stopped out. Anyone with a stop loss below here now. And Q is still making a higher low. So ES could take these lunch lows. NQ may not. And then we come back and take these highs on NQ. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's just wait and see. Damn, boy. That shit just shot down. Yeah. Take out that lunch low, my nigga. Oh, damn it. I didn't mean to say that. But yeah, take out that lunch low. Let's see. Yeah, so that was right at the 2 o'clock candle close that we saw that spike in volatility. I love macros, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So there really was 2 trades here, if you paid attention, right? We were targeting this for a reason, right? Overall, we were looking at this as a short setup. So, trade 1. Trade 2, you could have been entering right in here, but like, is there really a fair value gap here? Did we really take this high? Not really. But just based off of this rebalancing, then like, you could take a trade off of the continuation. So this is the lunch session. Lunch session high, lunch session low. Rebalance. Go. Run to the low. I'm very confident this is going to take out this low from here. ES already took out the low. ES never really rebalanced the lunch session. But, you know, still trade 1 in there. Stopped out above break even. We weren't really looking at trade 2 on ES because we were still in trade 1. But still money to be made there. Still money to be made there. And look, NQ goes ahead, takes out those lunch session lows. Now, do we let price action play out for the last 8 minutes of this macro? I guess so. Why not? We're already here. We're already here. This is a live tape reading. I'm not going to edit this. This is damn near an hour video. So this is going to be a rare video on my channel. If you do manage to watch it all, congratulations to you. Hope you have enjoyed. But this is how I see the market when I'm trading. This is exactly how I would have managed a position if I would have been trading live capital. I'm not. The intraday margins shot up today because the market has been so volatile. So I wasn't even going to be able to manage my risk as I would have wanted to in the first place. So just not even worth trading in my opinion. So I didn't trade that. I didn't trade after that. After I saw that this morning, I went ahead and I got back in the bed. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll text the group chat. I don't think there's going to be much action in these last 5 minutes, honestly. Like, if so, it'll like just be a further move down.
As you can see, we fucking cleared this low. You've got filled. If your target was here, the lunch session low, you've got filled on either of these, and that's really the point of this you know, why we're still recording, right? Because after we went ahead and we didn't rebalance here. However, NQ did rebalance, and then like we got this change in state of delivery here. Like, it could be expected that we were going lower. We did get stopped right here on our runner on ES. However, our runner on NQ never got stopped, so that's something to look for. Yeah, both of these trades, pretty profitable trades. What is this? So from this entry, 235.17. So like that's like 235.25, we'll say. Even though like right there it says buy at 235. Let's say we got filled at 235.25. Our first TP was at 243. So what is that? 35 to 43. Is that 8 points? And then it's like a multiplier of 5 for the micros. So that's $40. $40. So say if you were in this for 3 contracts, that's $80 right here, and then this one gets stopped at 37. You were in at 35. So make like $10 on that. So that's like a $90 trade. You could have cut the runner when we broke this high, or like when we put in a swing high here. You could have cut up here, and then you would have made more than $120 because we had 3, and then the 2 that we chopped off here were $40 a piece, and then naturally this is higher than down here, so just add more than $40 to whatever this is. Let me do it for you, because not everyone's fucking a super genius like me. So about 11 points there. That's if we're just, you know, cutting here. Let's say we see this fair value gap, and then we cut when we return into this fair value gap. 10.5 points, multiply that by 5. So another $50 on top of already 80. So $130 there on that one. And then this NQ, the NQ one was nice, pretty beautiful trade. It didn't come anywhere close to our stop. Maybe it's because, like, you know, I used a capital stop here. I did not use the capital stop here. Maybe that's why. Who fucking knows? But, you know, we rebalanced. We had a structure shift down, so expected once we came here. And that's why, just quick scout this shit. What is this? A total of 88 points. You know, you're chopping off 2 of them right in here. So let's say from this entry. So you're chopping off 2 right here. 42 points, multiply that by 2 for both of them, so that's 80. So that's already $160 if you chop 2 there, and then, you know, you ride it up into here. This is another this is 88 points itself, so that's $160. This one contract doubles what both of these do, so altogether you make about $320 off of that trade. That's with 3 contracts, and, you know, our entry was right here, so very minimal drawdown, honestly. What is this? Where's this going to run? I mean, we do have this structure shift here. Let's see if using this high to the, oh fuck, that's not the drawing I wanted. I want the fib. This high down to this low here. This fair value gap is close to equilibrium, but it's not really there. We do have a fair value gap here. We could just fill this and continue down. Yeah, I don't think anything is really much worth watching at this point. We've been recording for an hour, and yeah. Hopefully you've got something from this. So, yeah, hopefully fuckers stayed. This is a live tape reading. If you didn't stay, I really don't give a shit. I'm just showing you guys how the fuck I find these trades that I trade. Yeah, so this one's pretty cool. You know, we chop 2 off here, boom, $160 in the pocket. We let the other one run. Goes ahead and makes over another 160, right? Because for 160 it'd just be 80 points, so 88 times 2, it's like 172 or 176. Yeah. So another 176 on top of the 160, bro. Cool little $300 trade. That's just 3 contracts. You know, enough
for the 2 to cover the 1, and then the 1 to double the 2. This one kind of disappointing. Wish we could have made it to equilibrium, but we didn't. But we did get stopped in profit, so this one would have been about a $9 trade. 80 plus. 80 plus. All right, GG. I'll see you motherfuckers in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all know what to do. Peace. This is the 1 o'clock session, or afternoon session, PM session. It's not the New York close. This is the New York close. This is the PM session. Usually when I'm talking about the PM session, this is what I'm trading. Sometimes I'll trade the close, but it's so volatile. It's so volatile. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.